Concurrency control. So, what is the concurrency control? It's a process of managing simultaneous operations. Simultaneous means parallel, going together, parallel operations on the database specifically, without having them interfere with one another. So, it's a process of managing simultaneous operation on the database without having them interfere with one another. It prevents the interference when two or more users are accessing database simultaneously and at least one is updating data. Okay, so what is that? So what it does, concurrency, or it prevents the interference when two or more users are accessing the database simultaneously. For example, if there is one iPhone available on the Amazon, and there are five students and all they want to buy it because there is a promotion on it, 50% discount, so there will be high demand for it, so everyone will want to access it first and pay first, right? So but this is the the duty of Amazon database administrator to give like equal rights to all the users, and then equal timing, those who come first for come first serve basis, and at least one is updating the data. So it means the database administrator will make sure that one person at least is doing the update. So there are different ways. One way is that if the person who comes first, the database administrator will lock that for him unless
So,
and until he releases it. Okay, this is the one method. Okay, but in that case, maybe the 10 users are waiting for it. Maybe there is some serious buyer in it, and the one who has blocked it, he is not a serious buyer. So in that case, there will be loss for it. So this is called pessimistic approach, or which is called not good approach, not bright approach. Okay, there is optimistic approach. In this optimistic approach, what you do it, you send a copy of that iPhone to all the 10 users who are interested in it. Okay, the one who pay first, he will be the owner for it, and the rest they will be rejected, and they say that your connection or your session is expired. Sometime you might have seen that your session is expired over this, so their session will be automatically expired if someone buy it. Although two transactions may be correct in themselves, interleaving of the operation may produce an incorrect results over there, right? Sometime when you switch from one operation to another operation, there might be some incorrect results over there. So we need to manage all these things through concurrency control techniques.